Video, I'll guide you through how to solve the voice problem in the Instagram app. First of all, hold on the Instagram icon for some time and you'll see Instagram and tap on icon section. After that, it will lead you to the settings. Now go to storage. Under storage, you'll find clear data and clear cache option. You need to clear on both clear cache, or you can also click on clear data. After that, and go to the permission section. Now you need to make sure that your microphone is allowed. If this doesn't fix your problem, then you need to make sure that your app is up to date. So tap on Play Store and search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram. As you can see here, an update has arrived, so that may be the problem. My voice was not working. So tap on update. After the app is updated, your problem should be fixed. Now go back. When the app becomes updated, click on the Instagram app and your problem should be fixed. Thank you for watching.